Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Telegram tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to see save message in your Telegram app without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. After you open up your Telegram app, then next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. So here we go. You have save messages right here. Go ahead and click on save messages. And with that, you have every item or videos or whatever content you saved so far in your Telegram, you have access back to them. So like for instance, this particular screenshot here was saved in my Telegram. I can easily click on these three dots. I can decide to save this to my gallery. I can decide to show all media. I can decide to show in chat. I can decide to create a sticker from them. I can decide to share or delete the saved messages right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use Telegram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.